the viewers of our Sheri-Funtastic channel. Joan, say hi.
Hi, how you
Good.
doing?
I'm fine. Guten Abend.
Hi.
Ich bin Sharon.
Yeah, ich bin Joan. My name is Joan. Yeah, no problem.
Very good. It's beautiful. And so this is what we do here at Sheri Fun Vibe. We bring you the best that we've got to offer. And it is all here waiting for you. Not a cloud in the sky. Well, actually, several clouds in the sky, but that doesn't take away from the view. Absolutely lovely. And this is what it's all about. Our trolley tour. So much to see, so much to do, so much to enjoy. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Guten Abend. It's a beautiful day here at Sheri Fun Vibe. And we are on Old